also our closest neighbors.
I wonder who that could be.
Drum roll, please.
Sounds lively. Trolls in the castle?
These trolls are kind of fun.
Guards! Guards! Seize those trolls!
No, wait! Don't seize them! They're just making...
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the South Carolina Emergency Management Division. The South Carolina Emergency Management Division has issued a civil emergency message. All residents in the state of South Carolina must go home and stay home to limit the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Governor Henry McMaster has issued a mandatory home or work executive order that directs all South Carolina residents to stay home. Exceptions to staying home include going to work, visiting family who may need assistance, going outdoors for exercise, and only while taking the proper safety precautions to prevent infection. Health safety precautions include staying at least 6 feet away from people you do not live with, not touching or using shared equipment, frequently cleaning surfaces, and avoiding large groups. Officials with the Department of Health and Environmental Control have confirmed novel coronavirus infections in all counties in South Carolina. Continue to monitor local media and official, verified online sources such as sem.org and scdhec.gov for information about how to protect yourself from COVID-19.
So, how'd it go?
It was awful. I tried to make things better and I only made it worse.